just going straight to it. I'm using RX, the remove build up formula to clarify my hair, and I use Kerastase conditioner to help me detangle whilst I was in the shower. So I washed my hair, just finished night shift. I was desperate for a hair wash from head to toe, you know, that kind of hair wash, the one may enjoyed every single day. So that was what I needed, and plus I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks. I found a new way to incorporate the rosemary oil into my hair journey, or should I say into my wash day. So I will be showing you guys that today, as well as this hair shower head kind of thing I had at home for years. I will be showing you guys that, how I end up using that to wash my hair. What else will I be showing you guys? I got tea tree oil as well as lavender oil to add into my conditioner mix today. So all this coming up, so thank you all so much for sticking with me. So I'm just gonna add this t-shirt to remove the excess water. I will be applying this conditioner on and taking it to bed. My mixture starts with my hair overnight moisture conditioner. I add lavender oil to that. I also added tea tree oil to that. Those two oils are essential oil, so then I only needed few drops. The big daddy here is the rosemary oil. I use a good, I would say big 2 tablespoons on this, quite a good amount. I'm trying to find a way to add this product into my hair routine. Does that make sense? I'm just trying. You can see that bowl, there's loads of water, and this conditioner was a perfect like match for it. Even after mixing it, it's like non-budging, still thick as hell. If you were wondering how do I take this to bed without it getting everywhere, it's never fall off on me, you know, ever when I wrap it up. But I have backup plan. So I've got my regular satin pillowcase, and the other cover you seen that I'm touching this minute, that is a pillow protector. So if everything fails, these two things just get stained, but at least my pillow will be protected. But so far so good. I've not had issue with me going to bed with conditioner and it fall off. I purposely allowed my hair to completely air dried. Well, not completely, the inside was still damp, but for the best part, because I'm taking this conditioner to bed, I'm coming from a night shift, I've not slept yet. So I want my hair to be somewhat, I don't want the excess water remaining in my hair to dilute this product, and I don't want to maximize the chances of it, you know, just slacking everywhere and falling off. So I want it to stay where it is. So I purposely allow my hair to air dry about 95% ish. I really did work this product on my scalp because the rosemary oil I needed to do is thin. The lavender oil and the tea tree oil that I added, I need those 3 products to do their thing. So I worked that really in, and I'm gonna wrap it up and proceed to go into bed. Couple of hours later, I can only get 2 hours after a night shift, but I lounged around downstairs because I was so tired. Lounged around the bed, you know, I just could not be asked. Honestly, could not get the energy to go wash this off my hair. If I could go to bed with it and just do it next day, I would have, but it's too hot to stay to, you know, to have this on all day and then all night. So that wasn't gonna work. So I wrap it up with a clay film as I do, and went to bed. So I got this hair catcher from Amazon a while ago. This is one of those things, it doesn't fit in every sink at home, but fortunately for me this time, it fit perfectly in the kitchen sink. So I bought this tube a while ago, briefly, when we had a dog, which we only kept for 2 months. So this was supposed to be to attach to the sink and shower the dog there. That's where we were showering the dog. This was how. But if I put it on just like you see me doing, it won't go in. So thank God that this tap is a pull-out tap. Then it was able to fit in. So if you were thinking of getting this as a means to wash your hair, just take a note of the kind of tap is fitting because this is the only tap in the entire house that this thing fit in. Any other tap, they just not cut out for it, so which is a bit of a shame. So I get it going because the tap himself, it's a Mr. Tap, it was a breeze. And the way this tube on this shower tube is made, the way the tube is, make it very easy to put down while you maybe wipe your face or get in your hair and, you know, scratch your scalp, what have you, without the water spilling everywhere. I thought that was really good. So
that was how I went to bed.
So I'm gonna wash this off. My eyes are burning. You know, having 2 hours sleep after a night shift is horrible. I wish I can sleep, but I can't. I'm not cut out for night shift. Anyway, so I'm just gonna wash this off. As you can see, when I take the shower cap off, or when I take the clean film off this, the conditioner is exactly where I left it. I love this conditioner so much. So this tube carry on to be ace in the end. I'm like, where the hell has it been? Because at a time where I don't feel like packing up, you know, the washing basin and all that stuff. You know, this seems like the bending down of it wasn't as bad as if you were bending down over the bathtub, for instance, because the sink is higher, isn't it? So I wasn't bending as much. And I washed my hair in 2 sessions. I've completely washed 1 session, then move on to the other session. So that means, in a sense, my hair is still kind of falling to the direction that it was. I'm gonna be detangling the hair in. So yeah, I really like this idea. So I'll probably be using this a bit more, you know, from now on. So my new growths are extremely happy. I can't wait to do my touch up so I can enjoy my hair out even more. I haven't been wearing wigs since my last touch up, which was in April. So I quickly detangle while I was there, just for the sake of it. I did a little bit in the shower when I shampoo my hair, and a little bit I'm doing now, just, you know, to keep the hair straight and hopefully avoid matness. So I'm going to show you guys under there in the basin to see what fall off. I could only see, I don't know, one or 2 hair strands. That isn't even a surprise, because I have to really think back on how easy this wash day has been. And peppermint oil, rosemary oil is a massive, got a massive, you know, place in my hair journey now, and that is contributing to having me having less hair fall. I can tell you that. I can't wait to touch up my hair to finally confirm this. I already know that's 1 strand there from that comb and the washing that I did, just 1 strand of hair. So rosemary oil is definitely doing something. I can't quite lay my hands on it, but yes, I can tell. But undoing that tube, you just undo it like you would, pull it off, and I just take out the excess water that was left in there, fold it away, and it's good to use for next time. A little treat that, you know, especially because I did not really bargain to say, okay, I got that thing, I put all my hope in it. I just pull it out. I thought I'll try. If it works, fine. If it doesn't, no big deal. So every single one of these products, they seems like a lot, but every single one of them are quite light, and I swear by every single one of these products like 100%. So none of these products I'm using today are just there by chance or by try or whatever, like I'm trying it out. No, every one of them has been tried and tested by myself. Every one of these work a treat for my hair, hence this was just a breeze. Perhaps I should work harder and make sure every product I'm using is product that I already know work for my hair, and just save me the hassle of having a bad wash day. So although you see me applying the product to one side of the hair, so everything I do to that one side, I'm repeating exact same amount on the other side of the hair of my head, although I'm not showing you guys that, just to reduce the length of this video. But yeah, everything I'm doing to one session, I'm doing it to the other session. So the last thing I did was to seal it in with Kerastase Ultime oil, one large pump, just to lock everything in place. Can I tell you, when I finished this, I couldn't be asked go blow drying my hair, go air drying my hair, so I just blow dried it. After working out the leave-in conditioner in, I detangle for the sake of it, then I blow dry my hair. I could not be asked air drying it. I just couldn't. I was just too tired to do that. Yeah, when I said I detangle for the sake of it, this is what I meant. There is no even point starting from the ends and work your way to the root. There's nothing to detangle. My hair was so soft. Every single product that went into this hair today was absolute treat. Like, my hair feels so soft. So I definitely will be adding rosemary oil in every conditioner I'm gonna use as a treatment. Definitely 100,000,000% I will be doing that. So this wash day has been one of the easiest, most straightforward wash day I have had in a long time. Again, 2-3 strands of hair falling out, reduce hair fallout all day long. I'm all about that. So yes, get in. So I'm so pleased with myself. And that was how the cookie crumble. Love it. So I went ahead and blow dry my hair with ease. You would have thought with all that product added to my hair, it's gonna be all way down. No, it's not. It still have a lot of body, lot of movement. It's airy. I just love this wash day. I just, like I said, need to work on sticking to what I know that works. Just stick with it, woman. So yes, I love it. So I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Thank you all so much for sticking with me. This conclude this wash day. I hope you're all doing okay. I will see you guys on the next one. That's a great hair.
It's Mava King's on the beat.
Mava King,
Yeah, Mr. TW.
the king, you know.
Man and the flyers.
Empire.
Yes, sir. Switch.
Be white.
The boss.
It's Mava King's on the beat.
Mava King,
Yeah, Mr. TW.
the king, you know.
Man and the flyers.
Empire.
Yes, sir. Switch.
Be white.
The boss.
M.I.
It's Mava King's on the beat.
Mava King,
Yeah, Mr. TW.
the king, you know.
Man and the flyers.
Empire.
Yes, sir. Switch.
Be white.
The boss.